In this video, I'm going to show you how to do sprint planning in Jira. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is go ahead and open up Jira and sign in using your Jira credentials. Then from here, come on over to your projects and then find that project where you'd like to create a sprint. So I'm going to go ahead and click onto this one here. Now, once we're inside of here, we want to click on the backlog tab at the top of the page. Now, the backlog contains the issues, tasks, and stories that you haven't been added to a sprint. Now, under backlog here, we want to go ahead and click on create sprint. So go ahead and click on create sprint and then click on create again. And then we can add one or multiple work items by typing, pasting, or generating from Confluence, Loom, or even an image. So basically, you want to find the task or stories you want to work on in the backlog. We can even drag and drop the issues into your newly created sprint and add the issues that your team plans to complete during the sprint. Also, you want to set up the sprint. So before starting the sprint, review the work you've added so you can set the details such as the sprint name, sprint duration, sprint goals, issues included in the sprint, and make sure the team understands what the sprint is intended to accomplish. Then once everything is ready, go ahead and click on start sprint, review the sprint details, and then set the sprint duration if required. You can even add a sprint goal if you want and click start to begin the sprint. Then your sprint is going to be active and your team can begin working on the issues assigned to it.